Hi guys, thank you for stopping by at my channels. Today's video is about overwintering your Gerbera daisy plant. This is a very beautiful flowering plant. It gives flower from April to October and or November first week. So today is the last week of October and next within 2 weeks the frost is about to come. So I want to save this plant for my next season. So for this, just take this plant out of the pot gently. Don't break it because it is very delicate plant. So take it out from the pot. Once you take it out, then you have to remove all the dirt attached to the roots because we are uh, overwintering it with no soil, only the roots and the stem which I will trim also. So just remove the dirt. As I am doing this, you can use any available tool and remove most of the dirt so that you can see the roots. And once you see the roots, then trim off the roots, leaving like 2 to 3 inches or 4 inches, not more than that. And remove the leaf also because we don't need any leaf during the overwintering. So guys, this is very simple method. You can do it very easily, and you can see now I have removed most of the dirt from these roots, and now I will trim them off with, if you have any scissor or shear, you can just trim off the roots and remove the leaf also. So this plant comes in 2 3 colors. Last year I have made a video on the pink color Gerbera daisy, which I had divided the roots, and from that I made like 3 plants from the one plant. So you can watch my that video also by visiting my channel. So it comes in pink, white, yellow. I have seen the three, maybe one and two more color, but I have seen these 3 colors in normally in my garden center. So I have done the root trimming. Now I am going to trim the stem, and you can see now it is ready to be uh, put in shade area for at least 2 to 3 days, so the roots and the things maybe dry out, and then you have to uh, overwinter them. So just take some newspaper. This is after 2 days result. So just take a newspaper and wrap this uh, tightly and put in a box. If you have a cotton box, or I have used the ice box which is available here in the market, so it is easy for me, and the ice box is very good to store these things for the winter. So this is the ice box which I got like $5, or if you can buy some good one, you can have that one also, but I got it from my local stores. I'm going to put it in this and then put in the garage or basement. So after 6 or 5 months, like in April, you can again plant it and it will again bloom. So guys, thank you for watching the video. I hope you will also overwinter your Gerbera daisy. They are very beautiful flowering plant. Thank you guys. See you in my next video. Till then, bye.